All right, folks, so I want to talk about improper fractions. So we use improper fractions when we have a mixed number. So what that means is I have a whole number of something, like I might have 2 wholes and part of a whole. So this would be the mixed number. Well, I have 2. And then I also have 1, 2, 3 fourth size pieces. So if I have this mixed number, 2 and 3/4, all I have to do to make this improper is I have to say, oh, okay, well, I want to know how many total fourth size pieces I have, because maybe these are pieces of pizza, right? I want to give each person a fourth, and I want to know how many people I can give pizza to. Then I'm going to split this up in the same way into fourth size pieces and this into the same way. And now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 11 fourth size pieces. So I turned it into an improper fraction. And you may have learned that you could actually make this a little bit quicker, because when you have 2 wholes, you actually have 2 4/4. So if you have 2 4/4, then you can say, well, I know I can multiply 4 times 2, that's 8. So I'd have 8, which is this picture, plus 3 more, and that's how you get to 11. So for example, to look at another example, we could say, all right, if I have 3 and 4/5 maybe, well, I know that 3 wholes would each be 5/5, right? So you'd have 5/5, 5/5, and 5/5, plus I still have my 4/5, right? So I have a total of 5, 10, 15. 15/5 plus 4 more fifths is 19/5. So that's how you would change it into an improper. Now let's go the other way. If I have an improper, how do I get to a mixed? So let's say I have 19 fourths. So to do this, I want to see how many actual like wholes I could make, 1 wholes, and you could even just make your little fourths and we can start filling them. I kind of like doing it like this. So I start kind of just with the template of just here's blanks, and I say, okay, well, here's 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Well, I have 1, 2, 3, I have 4 1 wholes, and then I have 3 fourth size pieces left. Now, a lot of people like to do this. They like to say, all right, how many times does 4 go into 19? Well, it goes in a total of 4 times, but with 3 fourths remaining. So you could look at it that way too. It's just kind of find the biggest number that you could divide into. So 16 does go. 20 is not quite, so it's not quite 5, and then go from there. All right.